intake has to come out as well. Connector right down here needs to come off. Go ahead and set that right there. This needs to come off, and then pull the air box out. As you notice, I have an extra one here because I put a turbo on a 2014 model.